Hi Sarah and Chad, this is Scott Walker with Impact Lane SEO. Sarah and I just spoke on the phone, and I just wanted to make this quick video showing how you can grow your business by stealing leads from SafeLight and other local competition. And so for starters, I just go over your website, your Google Business Profile and Google Ads, and if you like what you see, we can have a further conversation, and if not, have a great day. So for starters, your website looks very clean, professional. I really like that. I love your logo as well. I'm in Utah, so I love the mountains. But one thing I would really recommend for your website is to have more content. The reason I say that is you want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, that is a location and also a service. So like windshield replacement, Frisco, or Summit County. Those are buyer intent. The other thing you could do is if you save your images correctly, instead of this elevated chat band thumbs up scaled, that could be a buyer intent keyword embedded behind the photo as well, because it counts as content there too. And I use a third-party tool to show me your analytics and kind of where you're setting. The DR and the UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up. You're currently at 0.1 and 2, and that's due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so try and stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 44 keywords, and you're getting roughly less than one person to your website each month, which means that your website's acting like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. And if we look at some of the keywords that we're being found for, these are like window replacement. I don't know if that's the best one, because I don't know if you guys do residential windows too, based on looking at your website. I thought it was just auto glass. But the ones that I would recommend, and it looks like you guys do tint too, so like windshield replacement, window replacement services. That's still not it. Windshield. Auto glass Frisco. You're on the 4th page. There's 40 searches, so like that's one that would be a good one. Windshield replacement Frisco right here. You're on the 7th page, so those are the types of buyer intent keywords, because those are the ones that I think would help you the most, because it's actually talking about auto glass, not just window, for a lot of those. And so those are the types of buyer intent keywords I would recommend going after. So I did just do windshield replacement Summit County. Right up top is your Google Ads. This is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies. The best way to get a good click-through rate here is to have as many keywords up here as possible, and also a location inside of your ads. As you can see, it just says replacement here. It doesn't really say anything about auto glass. I mean, I guess it says car glass, but it doesn't say anything about windshield. So that's how you have a good click-through rate. And then what you can do also is, for your landing page experience, you want to click to call right up top, form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then any promotions that you might be running. And then the background imagery should be something about what you're promoting. And if you do any like specialty stuff like RVs, that RV would, have an RV in the background if it's there. So it looks like you're doing pretty good right here. I love that you have 86 reviews. This is one of the best ways to get ranked, is your reviews. The others are making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't just like Google. And putting your name, address, phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is helpful, because Google is like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you more, and not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in your Google Ads and also the Google Business Profile, about 70% of traffic stops right here. I did forget to show you. Right here, there's 1,000 keywords with windshield and auto glass just for Frisco and Summit County. So like if you're getting in front of these, buyer intent keywords, that's a great way to generate more business as well. So this is actually how I've helped a lot of auto glass companies start, and then they grow into all my other services. And it does look like you're doing pretty good for Summit County, which is great, but there are a few different keywords. I just typed in all of your locations down here, and looking up here, there's about 700 searches for all of these, Frisco windshield repair, Frisco, this was Texas, and that one doesn't really count. but like windshield replacement, Frisco, Colorado, that's a great one. All of these, when you start to have better backlinks, better citations and content, you could outrank these competitors, and then a percentage of the people will start going to your website instead of your competition, and then a percentage of the people going to your website will turn into form submit or call, and then depending on your closing rate, it will turn into a customer for you. So Sarah and Chad, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was beneficial for you. If you like what you see, let's have a further conversation, and if not, I hope you guys have a great day.